So, we were discussing about the projection of solid and we have already solved our first question and second question. First question was related to first case, means when the solid was placed like this, when the solid is placed in such a way that its axis is perpendicular to HP plane and parallel to VP plane. And our second question was related to second case, when the solid was placed like this, means when the axis of the solid is perpendicular to VP plane and parallel to HP plane. Now I am going to discuss about question number third and question number fourth. Question number third is related to third case and question number fourth is related to fourth case. In third case, what we are going to consider? We are going to consider that there is a solid, suppose this is a cylinder, and it is placed in our first quadrant in such a way that its axis is inclined to HP plane and parallel to VP plane. The axis of the solid is making some angle, maybe 30, 40, whatever it may be, making some angle with HP plane, and the axis of the solid is parallel to VP plane. If the solid is placed in this way, how we will solve our question? This is what I am going to discuss. So, if the axis of the solid is inclined to HP plane and parallel to VP plane, this type of question we will solve in two steps. In first step, we will consider that this axis is not inclined to HP plane, just it is perpendicular to HP plane. So, by considering the solid is perpendicular to HP plane, we will draw its top view and its front view. So let's discuss related to this question only. Our third question is a hexagonal prism, edge of base 25 mm and axis 60 mm long, rest on one of its base edge in HP such that its axis is parallel to VP and 45 degree inclined to HP. Draw its projection. So first of all, what the solid is given here? A hexagonal prism. Suppose this is a hexagonal prism. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both bases are parallel to each other. This is hexagonal prism. A hexagonal prism, edge of base 25 mm. This is given 25 mm, 25 mm, 25 mm. And axis 60 mm long, means this axis length or height is 60 mm long, rest on one of its base edge. This is its base edge, this is its base edge, this is its base edge. So resting on one of its base edge, so considering this is its base edge like this, in such that its axis is parallel to VP and 45 degree inclined to HP. 45 degree inclined to HP and the axis is parallel to VP. We have to solve this question, means we have to draw its top view and we have to draw its front view. So I have already said you that when the axis is inclined to HP plane, for some time we will consider that axis is not inclined to HP plane. This is just perpendicular to HP plane. Then what will happen? Whatever the real true shape is given here, in case of this position, we will get the hexagonal shape on HP plane. So, by considering solid perpendicular to HP, we are getting hexagonal shape on HP plane. So, first of all, we will draw XY line, means a reference line, and above this reference line, this is our VP plane and this is our HP plane. And first of all, we will draw this hexagonal shape. This is given already, this edge length is given 25, 25, 25, and we already know how to draw a hexagonal shape. So first of all, we will draw this hexagonal shape. Now in this case, suppose considering the upper corner are giving the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and bottom corners giving the name A, B, C, D, E. This is what I have written here. Suppose this portion is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And bottom corners are A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. And after that, draw a just perpendicular line, projection line upwards, and whatever the height is given, here in this case it is given 60 mm length, 60 mm long, from this position, from taking reference from XY line, from XY line this is 60 mm long, 60 mm long. We will draw the projection line from this corner, we will draw projection line from this corner, we will draw projection line from this corner, and after 60 mm length we will close it. So already we know the upper corners are upper corners are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what? 6 and 5, it is written here, 6 and 5. Here it is 1 and 4, it is written here 1 and 4. Here it is 2 and 3, this is what written here 2 and 3. And the bottom base corners is known as A, B, C, D, E, F. This is what I have written here. This is F and E, so this is F and E. This is A and D, this is A and D. This is B and C, this is B and C. So first of all draw this, after that this shape, and but the initial question was what? The initial question was that the axis of the solid is inclined to HP, 45 degree inclined to HP. So what we will do in next step, whatever this rectangular shape we are getting on VP plane, we will incline it at given angle. In this case it is given 45 degree inclination. So this inclination will be 45 degree with XY line. This B2 edge we will draw. This as what we have to do, just this rectangle inclined at 45 degree. So 6, 5 corner will be here, 1, 4 will come this position, 2, 3 will become here, and similarly FE will become here, AD will become this at center point, B and C will be here. And after that, from each and every point draw a projection line just vertically downward. This is a projection line from 2, 3 vertically downward. Here from 1, 4 vertically downward projection line. From 6, 5 vertically downward projection line. From BC vertically downward projection line. From AD vertically downward projection line. From FE vertically downward projection line. And from these corners also we have to draw projection line. So consider from 4 and D we are drawing this projection line. From E, 3C, 5E we are drawing projection line this parallel to this XY line, projection line this shape. Again from this point we will draw a projection line. From this point we will draw a projection line. After drawing projection line vertically downward and after drawing projection line just horizontally, we will find the same intersecting point. For example, this is the point of 2 vertical line, 2.2 vertical line, and here we are getting 2.2 horizontal line. This is 2's horizontal line is this, and 0.2 vertical line is this. So this will be our point 2. Similarly, from 3, this is the vertical line of 3 point, and this is the horizontal line of 3 point. So this will be 3. Again, this is the vertical line of 1, and here it is 1 horizontal line. We will find this point 1. Similarly, this is the vertical line of 0.4, projection line of 0.4, projection line of 0.4, and here it is horizontal line of 0.4. We will find this 0.4. Here, this is the line vertical of 0.5, vertical line of 5, and here horizontal line of 5 point, 5th point. This will be 5th. Again, it is over. Now, next from bottom faces, this is the point vertical line of point C. This is written here B and C. Now consider this is the vertical line of point C, and here it is horizontal line of point C. We will find this point C. Again, this is vertical of point B, and here it is V. This we will find B point. Similarly, this is the vertical line projection line of point D, and here this is horizontal line of point D. We will find point D, and this is also the vertical line projection line of point A, and here it is A horizontal line. We will find this intersection at point A. Again, this is E projection line, and here it is written E. This is E's horizontal line. We will find this point E, and again this is also the vertical projection line of point F. This is vertical line of point F, and this is, here it is F. This is the horizontal line of point F again. So after getting each and every point, see here, if question was what? If there is a hexagonal prism and it is inclined 40 degree, when we will see it from the top, we will get this reduced hexagonal shape. This is what we are getting here, and when we are viewing it from the top, here the upper surface 1, 2, 3, 3 edges we are getting, and 3 edges are hidden here. This is what 3 edges, ED, EF and FA. This is continuous thick line, and when the hidden edges are there, we are going to draw with dash line. So DC will be with dash line, CB will be with dash line, BA will be with dash line. So this is the answer figure of this question. So first of all, what we have to do, this is the first step. First of all, we have to draw this. This is a second step. After drawing this, we will draw this. After drawing this, we have to incline this at 45 degree. Why at 45 degree? Because it is given here, axis of solid is inclined at 45 degree to HP. The same shape we will draw here with inclination 45 degree. This is third drawing, and after that, from each and every point we will draw vertical projection line, and from this we will draw horizontal projection line, and where we are getting the same point, intersection point, we will find that all the point, and after that we will join that all the point, we will get this shape. So when the hexagonal prism is inclined to HP 45 degree, we will get in top view this picture, and in front view this will be drawn here. So this is the answer figure of question number 3rd. So now we will discuss about question number 4. This is what related to this question only. What is the difference? Let's discuss. So in this case, it is given, draw the projection of cylinder 40 mm diameter and 70 mm long, laying on the ground with its axis inclined at 30 degree to VP and parallel to HP. So this is the question related to 4th case, when there is a solid, suppose considering cylinder, when this is placed like this, laying on the ground in such a way that the axis of the solid is making this, suppose considering this board as VP plane, this is the inclination angle from the VP, and the axis of the solid is parallel to HP. It is given, draw the projection of a cylinder, this is solid, 40 mm diameter, it is given 40 mm diameter, and 70 mm long, this length is given 70 mm long, laying on the ground with its axis inclined at 30 degree to VP. With its axis, this is 30 degree given. So when in 3rd case, when it was inclined to HP, we were considering this is not inclined to HP for some time, this is just perpendicular to VP. Similarly, here it is given inclination with VP. So we will consider for some time this is not inclined to VP, just it is perpendicular to VP. in that case what will happen, we will get the base shape on the VP plane. So this is the circular shape we will get. So how we will solve this question? First of all, draw XY line. Above XY line, this is VP plane, this is HP plane. We will get this circular shape, and here the given corners are there in case of hexagonal prism. But here in case of circle, we don't have any corner. So what we will do, we will mark the corners by dividing this circle into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First of all, draw a vertical line, a horizontal line. After that, a line at 45 degree, a line at 45 degree. We have to make the equal parts of that circle. And now, suppose 8 equal parts. So front portion is considering as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and backward A, B, C, D, E, F. This is what I have mentioned here. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and backward portion A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And related to this, when we will view it from the top, we will get this image. So what the length is given here? It is 70 mm long. So from this portion, we will draw this line 70 mm long. So we will get here a rectangular shape. So next what we have to do, whatever a rectangular shape we are getting, just we have to incline this rectangular shape at the given inclination angle. Here it is given, it is inclined 30 degree to VP. So we will draw this rectangular shape at 30 degree inclination. This from XY line or from this horizontal line, this will be 30 degree, and this shape as it is we are going to draw with inclination 30 degree. So when this is the 7, 6, 8, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3 point, it will come here 7, 6, 8, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3 here, and upper surfaces G, H, F, A, E, B, D, C. We will get here G, H, F, A, E, B, D, C. First of all, we will draw this first. After that, we will draw this second. After that, we will incline. We will draw this third. And after that, from each and every point, we will draw a vertical projection line upward. And from each and every point here, we will draw horizontal line this side. And when we will get that intersection point, same point, suppose this is C point vertical and C point horizontal, we will find that point. Suppose this is B point upward and B point horizontal, same, find each and every intersection point, and after that we are going to join this, we will get this portion. So this is the answer figure of this question. So once again I am going to repeat, when the solid is inclined to HP plane, for some time consider it is not inclined to HP, it is just perpendicular to HP. Then what will happen, we will easily get it's a true shape of the base on HP. And in fourth case, when the solid is inclined with VP plane, we will consider for some time it is not inclined to VP plane, it is perpendicular to VP plane. Then what will happen, we will get the base true shape on the VP plane. Are you getting my point? So this is what related to projection of solid. We have already solved our first question, second question, this is third and fourth question, and these 4 questions you have to draw on your drawing sheet. I hope you will get each and everything and you understood each and everything, and further if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me. I will explain that one more time. So thank you for now.